This is the Drift Ghost 4K sports camera. This camera has features that are great for aviation. Just like all sports cameras on the market, it has Wi-Fi wireless control that you can control through an app on your smart device. And a common complaint that I hear with all sports cameras on the market used in aviation is it works just fine in the hangar, but as soon as you start the engine and start to fly, the wireless control is glitchy and finicky, uses up a lot of battery power. So our answer to this problem is the new 4mation box. This is a 4-channel control box, has 4 camera inputs for 4 drift cameras, and then we have through a mini USB cable, we have power for the camera, a live video feed, and we have a trigger switch. We can start and stop record of the camera, and then we have audio you can plug into the intercom that'll record onto the camera, and also data transfer to download the video directly from the camera wherever you have it mounted on the aircraft. We've designed special mini USB cables to work with the control box and the cameras. So on the camera you just plug into the mini USB jack on the bottom side of the camera. We have a 90-degree adapter that we are making to help make it more of a streamlined installation. And then we just plug the mini USB into the control box. We have available a 6-foot, 12-foot, and 20-foot cable for up to 4 cameras. The nice thing about this setup is we can power each of the 4 cameras through the 4mation box. We can run our live video feed from each camera through the cable, and we have the capability of recording audio through the intercom to the camera, and we have a remote trigger switch that allows us to start and stop record of all 4 cameras at the same time. And then it uses a 12 to 30 volt power source, so you could power it off your aircraft power or just a cigarette lighter. And then the video port is just a composite video. The cool thing about that is you can plug it into a display such as this one that we bought for about $30, or if you have a nav EFIS display or any kind of an MFD in your panel, most of them have a composite video input, so you can have all of your cameras tied into your display. We go ahead and power it on. And once the cameras power up, we have a live video feed from each camera, so we can select camera 1, camera 2, 3, and 4 if we had 4 cameras plugged in, and at any point in time see a live video feed on our display. Then we press the record button, the cameras start recording, we get a flashing red light on the LED display, and on our video display we'll see the record symbol along with a counter telling us that the camera is recording. So the cool thing is now you can select through the cameras, and when you're inside the cockpit you'll be able to see that all of your cameras are recording. The other nice thing about this is you no longer have to worry about battery life. This box powers all 4 cameras, so if you're on a long cross country or a long trip, you'll never have to worry about charging batteries along the trip. You just simply turn on the box and hit record. And the nice thing too is when it comes to video editing, when you stop record, it stops the recording of all 4 cameras at the same time. So you have the same number and same length of video files on all 4 cameras, which makes video editing much easier. So we've set this box up in a way that allows you to buy it and customize it for your exact application. First you purchase the 4mation box, and then we have the USB cables available in the 6, 12, and 20-foot lengths. And then you can purchase the remote trigger switch all pre-wired and ready to go in a box, or we can sell you the switch and the wiring so you can wire it into a control yoke or panel mount if you like. And then we have available the intercom audio cables that allows you to plug directly into your intercom and record audio on either a general aviation aircraft or a helicopter style plug. And then the power plug can come just wired with pigtails or with a cigarette lighter and power switch already pre-wired on it.